Hello all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I'll show you how to undelete a record in ServiceNow, and meanwhile, I'll also give you a little tips and tricks related to the same. So first of all, we must never delete any record in production. As far as possible, we should always go for archiving it, and you will find an archival related video as well in my channel, which I've also linked below this reel or below this short in here in the linked video. There also you can check out the details about archiving in ServiceNow. So now let's quickly proceed to the incident table, and we'll delete one of the records, and then I'll proceed to show you how to undelete it. So I'm now opening this incident and I'm going to delete this incident. So in front of you guys, okay, you can clearly see the delete button here. So I'm just pressing on it. Okay, the resolve button is working. Yeah. So it took some time, and then that delete button came. So we'll just click on this and we'll wait for some time. Yeah, now you can see what message we are getting. Deleting this record will result in automatic deletion of following records for task SLAs. It is because it is a reference record, so that's why it will be deleted. This incident is being referenced in the 4 task SLAs. So I'm just clicking on delete, and yeah, you can see from the list view that record is deleted. Now what we'll do, we'll go to the deleted records table, and there we'll search for the incident that we deleted today, and under system definition you will get that deleted records. Okay, so you can clearly see from here there is one incident record, and there are 4 task SLA records. Okay, these 4 task SLA records deleted with the were deleted with reference to the incident record. So what we'll do, we'll just click on the incident record first. Okay. Yeah, so you can see here we have two options. One is delete and one is undelete with related. And now it is giving me document key, display value, record deleted, date, and table name. Okay, so delete means if I delete from here, then it will be permanently gone. And the second option is undelete with related. Undelete with related means this is the option where all the reference record will also be restored. Another important tip which you need to keep in mind is that this undelete with related option is only available for 7 days by default, and after that this undelete with related will be gone, which means you will not be able to restore your reference records with the deleted records. So that will become a problem. So in case you have already done some kind of mistake or you want to retrieve any record, so make sure you do that within 7 days so that you are able to retrieve it along with its reference records, so that everything is restored in the condition it was before deletion. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go with undelete with related. After the 7 days period is over, only. Yeah, so you can see I typed yes there, and then there is executing rollback, which is good. Now I'll click on close. So now this record will be is already rolled back. Now I'll refresh it, and no more, right? No more. I'm able to find the record not found. Why? Because this record is already undeleted and there is no more of that record. So I'll again go to the incident table and I'll just show you. So you can see one critical on hold. So this was the record which I had deleted, and now it is successfully undeleted. Okay. Yeah, so you can see it has 4 SLAs, which is also successfully restored. And yeah, so I hope you learned something new from this video, and also some of the tips and tricks related to the same. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found anything useful. Thank you so much. Bye bye.